can't wait to go. Line at Dunkin' Donuts was way too long, so I got an iced coffee from the bookstore. Because who wants to stand on those lines? I know I do not. So we are off, and I'll be back when we board.
Bye.
Bye. We're off, guys. Woohoo! See you in Cancun. We're gonna do another pool day today, and it's gorgeous out. There's the sea. It's an infinity pool, so that's beautiful. Palm trees and sun and margaritas in a couple hours. And tonight I will be back to show you my outfit of the day. Have a great day, guys, because I know I'm going to. And it's really cool in here, so we're on, I don't even know how many wines I've had thus far.
I don't know how many margaritas.
Oh, quite a few.
I got some new drink too that's fantastic.
We had a great dinner at
Seaside Grill.
No, Bluefish Grill.
Bluefish Grill, sorry.
And it was great. I had a T-bone, phenomenal. I had flourless chocolate cake, also phenomenal.
I had the shrimp Alfredo ravioli, fantastic. I had a ribeye baked, fantastic. Drinks are everything's been phenomenal,
right.
Except the paperwork.
Oh my God, so much paperwork when you get here. You have no idea how much paperwork there is. But anyway, tomorrow's our first full day here. And I'll vlog a little bit tomorrow by the pool and at lunch. And
pool, beach, pool, beach, pool.
That's it. That's what we're doing. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Just for her.
Just for her?
Yep. I'm gonna have a Sprite.
Sprite?
Yes.
With vodka?
No, the Sprite.
Oh, it's very good. Good choice. Thank you so much.
A pleasure.
The feeling in our eyes felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. With a feeling in our eyes, felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow. I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a